Come back to the channel, gents. Yesterday we got news from Mazola Molefe about Thapelo Maseko. Umjida is leaving the team that he was loaned to, and the Mamelodi Sundowns ayifuna ukumgcina.
Thapelo Maseko, I can tell you right now for sure, 100%, that he will not be returning to Cyprus, where he played the last 7 months, just before the FIFA World Cup in America, where he was one of the standout players for Bafana Bafana. So Mamelodi Sundowns are ready to let him go pending offers. And
like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Apparently, Umjida is leaving the team he was loaned to, Le Pesheya, Lizwe lase Cyprus. The team is AE Limassol. I don't even know how to pronounce them, but Gawamazwe, it's a team from our Mazwe, Alengago, Greece, Lengago, Israel, Yabo, Gawamazwe, Apa Pesheya. Go to again. The main thing is that this team has not been paying him for a couple of months, so his agent and other team members advise him to leave the team because they are not paying him. Makes sense. And then now Mamelodi Sundowns are not interested in keeping him at the club. They are ready to listen to offers, and these are good news for me as a Chief fan, because I'm hoping that the Kaizer Chiefs will do something, because this is a good player and we are the only team that has not signed wingers, or that does not sign a lot of players in this transfer window between these three teams, Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. Sundowns and the Pirates have been signing. Tina, we've not been signing, and we lost. I think we're going to we lost Oganye, we are losing Ulilepo, whatever the situation may be with him. He's leaving Kaizer Chiefs, we all know. So we need more wingers at Nacho Rena. Gaston Sireno as well is gone. So we really need replacement for these players. We cannot lose a player like Lilepo and not replace him. Yes, Gaston Sireno was a point in most cases. Go to again, Lilepo, we need a replacement for him. Even though Thapelo Maseko is not a player that plays really in that position, Lilepo left wing, he plays more on the right. You guys know Ulilepo ebedlaliswa naye on the right as well in some games. So a player like Thapelo Maseko would make sense. He's a good player, by the way. You know, I think we should be getting him. Kaizer Chiefs should be the first team to jump on this. Try and talk to Mamelodi Sundowns. Try and offer them something before any team can try and offer something for Thapelo Maseko. Gents, we really need to beef up our squad. We only have Mfundo Vilakazi, Wandile Duba. I'm speaking about right wingers. Wandile Duba can be played as a right winger. Uvele Bai, I only saw him being played on the left by the new coach, Da Cruz. What do we know? We can play both. Go to again. I think his best position is the left wing. Even Wandile Duba is a striker. Siyamdlala nje ngoba yabo, we are in need. Okay, Mayo, maybe they can play him there, but I think a natural right winger is needed, because even Mfundo Vilakazi is not a natural right winger. He's a 10. That's his best position. I think he should be played there as a 10. There are gonna be those cases where we play Mfundo Vilakazi as a 10. Go to again, and out the Cruz, it looks like Umjida is going to be played as a right winger, cutting inside. Sometimes we might see him on that side as well. Da Cruz, he's experimenting. He has been experimenting a lot in this preseason. We saw Mfundo Vilakazi playing on both wings. So Da Cruz is still trying to find ukuthi Mfundo Vilakazi yeyiphi best position yakhe. Kodwa again, I do think we need to Thapelo Maseko. That's what I'm saying, gents. But you guys can let me know in the comments, how do you guys feel about Thapelo Maseko? Umjida, how old is he? 23? Or in November he's turning 23, gents. I think we should be getting him. But there's the fact that Mamelodi Sundowns don't like selling young, good, talented players to Kaizer Chiefs. They like giving us Amakehle and all that. Got again, Chiefs they should try and get him and see what the Sundowns yenza lento yayo ukuthi they don't want to give Kaizer Chiefs good players and all that. It's fine, at least hluleka uzamile, because the Pirates right yona, they've signed a lot of players, lot of good players. Sundowns na right, that's why they don't even want to keep Maseko. So these are the three. I'm mentioning only these two teams because these are the only teams that we should be competing with, because Chiefs, we are a big club. Gents, let me know your thoughts in the comments. We sold, we're going to sell, we have already sold okanye akakahambi uLilepo. Ithini situation yakhe? Siyazi bafethu imali yeza ngoLilepo. Aiden McCarthy left. We made money. Cross went to the World Cup. We made money about him going to the World Cup. I think we can try and at least offer Sundowns 12 to 15 million for Thapelo Maseko. I think it's possible. It's possible. Okanye guys nithini? Inintsi kakhulu lo mali. If Sundowns ifuna imali kangako for Thapelo Maseko, because I don't think he's going to come cheap, since he's very young. He's only 23 years old and he's a good player, and I think there are other clubs that are probably interested in his services, because at the World Cup as well he kind of like performed for iBafana Bafana, scored that winning goal, and descended to a round of 32. So there's that. It makes more teams look at him and be like, okay, he's a good player performing at the bigger stage, probably he would work in our team. So gents, it might be difficult for Kaizer Chiefs to get him. What I'm saying is the Chiefs should at least try to get him. Singathi nje is right, asimreplaceanga uLilepo. Gaston Sereno is left, asikamreplace. There are so many players that we have not replaced yet, so we should be getting Thapelo Maseko. Get another winger at least, in my opinion. Get him. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.